Hi everyone. Do you understand English perfectly but freeze up when it's come to speaking? You are not alone. I feel the same. In this video I'm going to talk about why it is easy to understand but it is so hard to speak it and how we can improve together. Almost every English learner, they have these kinds of issue when they watch any movie or any podcast or read any book. They are able to understand, but when it's come to speaking, they feel fumble and feel nervous, and also their mind is goes blank. So why does this happen, and how we can fix it? Let me clear it by example. Suppose you go to gym. At the gym, you only train your arm. You never train your leg. Then what's going to happen after few months? Your arm, it is going to so strong, but your leg, it would be not that much of a strong because you never train your leg. You only train your arm. And because of that, your arm, it would be so strong. It's the same with speaking. Whenever you listen or read, you would be able to understand so very clearly and perfectly. But when it's come to speaking, you would be not because you never did practice speaking. And due to you are fumble and you get stuck while having conversation with the other person and your mind is goes blank because of lack of practicing. So you need to speak if you want to become fluent and confident. It's no matter whether you feel nervous or hesitant, at least you'll have to speak for 20 or 25 minutes. It will help you to reduce your all problem. For me, when I have started to learn this language, I used to listen a lot. I used to watch English movie, podcasts, conversation videos, and simultaneously I used to work on grammar and vocabulary. That's how I was able to understand so very well. But when it's come to speaking, I used to feel so much of nervous and my mind it used to go blank because I was not doing practice speaking. I had also one big fear that was a person. When first times I went on some platform where I had to do practice speaking, I was not able to even make a single sentences and I used to feel nervous or hesitant because since my childhood I had a social anxiety. I was an intro kind of person and because of that I was not able to even talk with anyone no matter whether it was my native language or English. But I had to overcome these kinds of problem and reduce these kinds of fear and solution was only talking with a person. I did lots of conversation with a co-learner. Over the time, I reduced, but it took time because learning any language, it takes time. It is a slow process. So if you have also these kinds of fear, that is a fear of talking with a person, then you will have to take these kinds of challenge, take these kinds of risks, and only then you would be able to overcome it. And many learners, they have also fear of making mistake. They think if I'll make mistake, people they are going to judge me. People they are going to laugh at me. Let me tell you one thing here. There is 99% people, they are not going to judge you. They are not going to laugh at you. But 1% people definitely they are going to judge you and they are going to laugh at you. But because of your first obstacle, if you want to give up, it is not option because giving up it is not solution for anything. So if you want to succeed and accomplish something else in your life, you have to go through your all problem, your all circumstances. by yourself, and that will help you to overcome these kinds of problem, and you would be comfortable and fluent in this language. So make mistake, embrace it as a learning opportunity, be consistent on your practicing, because the more you do practice, the more you are going to become fluent in this language. That's all I wanted to share in this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then consider to like and subscribe and share with your friend. So I would be also motivated to making such kinds of video, and I'll see you in next video.